Hello dear people, Assalamu alaikum. This is Akram from Sydney, Australia. And in this video, I'll talk about Australian travel card, which is popularly known as Opal card. What is Opal card? How does it look like? Where you can get it? And most importantly, how to use it. So let's enjoy the video.
Well, what is Opal card? Opal card actually is a kind of card, looks like bank card, where you'll have your balance when you're traveling to any place. You will carry that Opal card, and you must have balance there, right? And it works as alternative to any cash. For example, countries like Bangladesh, India, and Pakistan, we pay money to the counterman to buy tickets, or we pay cash to the bus conductor, right? But here you'll never find any bus conductor or anyone selling the tickets, right? You'll have your Opal card and device to tap on and tap off, right? And then the next question is, how does it look like? It actually looks like, you see, it looks like a card, bank card, as you can see on the screen, right? And we have four different kinds of Opal card. Now the question is where you will get it, right? You can get it from any departmental store like 7-Eleven. So you can get it from anywhere, any famous or any kind of popular departmental store, right? And then how to use it. So let's go and see how you can use it. As you can see, we are here in the station, but you see, we can't go through, right? So if you want to go through and enter the platform, you have to tap on here, right? So once you tap on, the bar removes, then you can enter, right? So this is how we can use Opal card, and if you just tap on, you can easily enter the platform, right? As you can see, I'm entering platform, and from here I will take my train, right? This is the exact same thing that you have to do when you are done with your traveling. You're back, then you have to tap off, right? This is how we use Opal card and enter into the platforms, right? You see my train, the dashboard, right? This is where you can find your train and how much time it will take to be here, and everything is here on the dashboard. So I hope you'll have a very safe journey. So please don't forget to use Opal card. Once you do not tap on or tap off, you'd be in real danger, right? You would be in real danger. So it's always safe. You always safe to use Opal card. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.